question number 2, minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6, which is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. So here LHS minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6. Minus 4 and minus 6 will become minus 10. So minus 21 into minus 10, minus and minus will become plus. So 21 into 10 is 210. Now RHS minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Here minus and minus will become plus. So plus into 21 into 4, that is equal to 84, plus minus into minus plus before. So 21 into 6 is 126. 84 plus 126 equal to 210. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, which is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus of minus 6, which is equal to minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. Now question number 3, first one, for any integer a, what is 1 minus 1 into a equal to? Answer is, for any integer a, minus 1 into a equal to minus a, that is the additive inverse of a. Now 5b is 8 into 53 into minus 125. So now 8 into minus 125 into 53. So we are making use of the commutative property. What is commutative property is a plus b equal to b plus a. So we have exchanged this. So now 8 into minus 125 into 53, we are making use of the property, associative property. Now 8 into minus 125, it will become 1000 into 53. So minus 1000 into 53 will become minus 53,000. Now C is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So here 15 into minus 25 into 4 we are combining into minus 10. So it is an associative property. Minus 25 into minus 4 is 25 4s are 100. 5 4s are 20, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So 100. So 15 into minus and minus will become plus. So 15 into 100 into minus 10. Now 15 into 110 we are multiplying it. So we are making use of the properties associative property. So 100 into minus 10 will become minus 1000. So 15 into minus 1000, which is equal to minus 15,000. Now D is minus 41 into 102. Here 102 is, we are writing it 100 plus 2. This is the solution, 100 plus 2. Then minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. So that is, we are making use of the distributive property. So minus 41 into 100 is minus 4100 minus 41 into 2. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. So minus 4100 minus 82 will become minus 4182. Now E is 625 multiplied by minus 35 plus minus 625 multiplied by 65. So here in this one 625 is common in between these two. So 625. So 625 into minus 35 plus of minus 65. So we are making use of the distributive property. So 625 multiplied by 35 and minus 65, it will become minus 100. So 625 into minus 100. So minus you are having minus into 625 into 100 is minus 62,500. I will go for the F1, 7 into 50 minus 2. So what is the answer is 7 multiplied by 50 minus 7 multiplied by 2. So here 7 multiplied by 50 is 7 5s are 35 and 0. So 350 minus 14. Then you have to subtract from 0, 4 won't go, so you have to borrow. It will become 10 minus 4 is 6 and here it will become 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will become 3. So 336. So now G is, so answer is 336. Now next one G is minus 17 multiplied by minus 29. So minus and minus will become plus. So plus into 17 into 29. So 17 into 30, 29 we can write 30 minus 1. So 17 into 30 minus 17 into 1. We are making use of the property, distributive property. So 17 into 3 is 51. So 510 minus 17. So it will become 493. Now h equal to minus 57 multiplied by minus 19 plus 57. So now plus 57 into 19 plus 57 into 19 plus 57 into 1. So we are making use of the distributive property. So 57 into 19 and plus 1. So 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20. Then 57 twos are 114 and 0. So 1140 is the answer. Now question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature to be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. In 1 hour, it will be reducing it 5 degrees Celsius from 40. Then it will be 5 degrees Celsius, it will become 35. Then again 30. Like that it has to reduce. What will be the room temperature after 10 hours? So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? After the 10 hours, you have to find out. So the change in temperature per hour. What is the change in temperature per hour is given minus 5 degrees Celsius. So the change in temperature in 10 hours, it will become minus 5 into 10 equal to minus 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the room temperature after 40 hours, in the beginning it was 40 degrees Celsius plus of minus 50 degrees Celsius. Plus and minus will become minus. So 50 minus 40, it will become minus 10 degrees Celsius. So it will become 50 minus 40. That will become. So here which one is a greater minus and plus. So it will be minus 10 degrees Celsius. So question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, and 0 for questions not attempted. I hope that you have understood this. A test was conducted for 10 questions were there. A test was conducted for 10 questions. In that one, 5 marks was awarded for the correct answers, and minus 2 marks were awarded for the incorrect answers, and the questions which was not attended, it was given 0 marks. So first one is question. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? Answer for this is, for 4 correct answers, Mohan gets 20 marks. 4 5s are 20. And for 6 incorrect answers, he got minus 2 into 6 is minus 12 marks. Therefore, Mohan's score is plus 20 plus of minus 12. So 20 minus 12, that is equal to 8 marks. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So for 5 correct answers, Reshma gets, for correct answers, 5 marks. So 5 into 5 is 25 marks. For 5 incorrect answers, Reshma gets 5 into minus 2. For 1 incorrect answer, marks reduced will be minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 equal to minus 10 marks. So Reshma's score is 25 plus of minus 10, plus into minus is minus, 25 minus 10 will become 15 marks. Third one, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? That is, total 7 questions, she got it 2 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. So for 2 correct answers, Hina gets 2 into 5 equal to 10 marks. So for 5 incorrect answers, Hina gets 5 into minus 2 equal to minus 10 marks. So for 3 unattempted questions, Hina gets 3 into 0 equal to 0 marks. Therefore, Hina's score is 10 plus of minus 10 plus 0. 10 plus into minus is minus, 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per kg of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per kg of grey cement sold.